Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you how you can use coffee to whiten your teeth at home in just 2 or 3 minutes. This home remedy contains 100% natural ingredients which will whiten your teeth easily at home, and this home remedy is 100% effective and has no side effects. So now let's see how to whiten your teeth with the help of coffee in just 2 or 3 minutes. So to prepare this home remedy, firstly you have to take half a teaspoon coffee powder in a clean bowl. After that you have to add half a teaspoon baking soda in it, and please note that you have to add baking soda and not baking powder. And after adding both these ingredients, you just need to give a good mix to both of them so that they combine with each other nicely. And once both these powder ingredients are nicely mixed, now you have to add 1 teaspoon coconut oil in it. And after adding the coconut oil, now it's the time to add the last ingredient, which is the half lemon. You just need to squeeze the half lemon in it. And after adding all the ingredients, you just need to mix everything really well to make a smooth and a lump-free paste. And once all the ingredients are nicely mixed, your homemade teeth whitening paste is ready, and it will look like this. This home remedy is made up of 100% natural ingredients and is also 100% effective in whitening your teeth in just one go. And now let me tell you how to use this home remedy. And for that you are going to need a toothbrush. Just dip your toothbrush into this paste and pick up some paste. And then gently brush your teeth with this paste. And you just need to brush your teeth with this paste for just 30 to 45 seconds. And after brushing your teeth really nicely, rinse your mouth with normal water. And with only one use of this home remedy, you'll notice that your teeth have become more whiter than before, and your mouth will also feel really fresh. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, take care.